Hello, good morning students. Today we are starting new chapter morphology of flowering plants. In this topic we are going to discuss the external features of a plant like root system, stem, leaf, inflorescence, flower, fruit, seed, and we will see description of a typical flowering plant, how we describe a plant, what are the technical words are used in describing a plant, and some important families also we will discuss here. First of all, what is this root system? What is the meaning of this root system? Root system is usually descending part of the plant body which develop from radical part of the seed. Okay, it develop from which part? Radical part of the seed, embryo, radical part of the seed embryo. Actually the seed embryo is having two important parts, radical and plumule. From the radical develop root system and from the plumule develop shoot system. What is a stem? Stem is ascending part. Stem is ascending part of the plant body which grow vertically upwards, right? And it develop from which part of the seed embryo? Plumule. Okay, first just concentrate here. We will take notes later on. Leaf, what is leaf? Leaf is green, expanded, flattened structure, green, expanded, flattened structure helping for photosynthesis. And what is inflorescence, students? Inflorescence is a cluster of flowers. Inflorescence is cluster of flowers. A group of flower, a bundle of flower, it is called inflorescence. And what is flower then? Flower is reproductive part. Flower is meant for reproduction. Flower is reproductive part of the plant body. Reproductive part of the plant body. ठीक है. Fruit is defined as ripened fertilized ovary. What is fruit? Fruit is defined as ripened fertilized ovary. Yes, it is ripened fertilized ovary. Inside the flower there is a part called ovary, and from that ovary fruit develop. And what is seed? Seed is defined as fertilized ovule. Fertilized ovule is called seed. Just in your notes take down heading morphology of flowering plant, and later on take down the definition of each of these part. Root, note करिए notes में. Root is descending part. Descending means which usually grow downward. Descending part of the plant body. Develop from, कहाँ से develop होगा ये? Radical of the seed embryo. Note करें. Stem क्या होगा? Ascending part of the plant body. Ascending means which grow vertically upward. Descending means which grow downward. Stem is ascending, vertically upward जा रहा है, and it develop from which part of the seed embryo? It develop from plumule part of the seed embryo. Yes, it develop from plumule part. And leaf क्या है? What is leaf? Leaf is defined as green, expanded, flattened structure. Leaf is green, expanded, flattened structure of the plant body helping for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis में help करता है. What is inflorescence? Inflorescence is a cluster of flower, a bundle of flower, group of flowers. And what is flower? Flower is reproductive part of the plant body. It is the organ, reproductive organ of the plant body. Flower is meant for continuation of generation. Rose plant make their offspring, right? Banana plant make their offsprings. Each and every organism try to reproduce, and flowering plant for their reproduction they are having flower as a reproductive part. Fruit and seed. Fruit is actually developing from ovary part of the flower. Flower is having ovary. From that ovary, after fertilization, fruit develops. Whatever fruit you eat, mango, right? This is developing from which part? Ovary part of the flower. And seed, it develops from ovule part of the flower. So definitely you will have questions in your mind, what is this ovary, what is this ovule, that we will cover here. First take down these points. Okay. Now let's begin this root system. Root. Now before going to the root, this is the diagram of a flowering plant. You can see the plant body is divided into two systems. Underground root system. Underground root system. This is what a root system, underground, and above the ground shoot system is present. Above the ground shoot system, underground root system. Okay students, and the root system is having, you can see there is a branch that is called primary root. Main root is primary root. From the primary root arises lateral branches, and these branches are called secondary roots. Okay, what is root system? Root system means which is descending part of the plant body and which is having one primary root, main root, from which lateral branches develop, called secondary roots. And above the ground you can see this is what shoot system, and shoot system is having vertically growing upward part of the plant body, and this is called stem. And stem is always growing towards sunlight, towards the direction of sunlight. Yes, stem is always growing toward the direction of sunlight, and stem is having side branches. Stem is having branches. Okay, and upon the branches leaf develop. Leaf are the main photosynthetic part of the plant body. Main photosynthetic part of the plant body is leaf. Okay, and the part of the stem from which leaf develop, the region on the stem from which leaf develop is called node. जहां से leaf develop होगा ना, that area is called node. The area, the region from which leaf develop, it is called node. Okay, so this is the node from which a leaf develops. And at the leaf base you will find a small bud like structure. These are the small buds. Yes, this is the bud. ये भी bud है. Yes, bud means in future this bud is going to become a branch. It is going to become a branch. As this leaf gets older, when it becomes yellow in color, the older leaf fall down, and after falling of the older leaf, this bud did develop into a new branch or a leaf. It may develop into a new leaf or into a branch. Gap between the two node is internode. Gap between the two node is internode. Two nodes का जो distance होगा ना, distance between the two node. Node मतलब जहां से leaf develop हो रहा है, और distance between the two node is internode. A region from which leaf develop, node. Gap between the two node, internode. Okay. After pollination and fertilization, flower become fruit. flower become fruit. And if you open the fruit, what you find inside? Seeds. These are the parts of a flowering plant. Let's see here point. In majority of the dicot plants, direct elongation of radical leads to primary root. सीड के अंदर है ना एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है, दैट इज द फ्यूचर प्लांट. सीड के अंदर एक छोटा सा फ्यूचर प्लांट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एम्ब्रियो. एम्ब्रियो के अंदर रेडिकल और प्लूम्यूल, दीज आर द टू पार्ट्स, रेडिकल एंड प्लूम्यूल. रेडिकल से बनेगा रूट सिस्टम, प्लूम्यूल से बनेगा शूट सिस्टम. क्लियर? रेडिकल डेवलप इनटू रूट सिस्टम, प्लूम्यूल डेवलप इनटू शूट सिस्टम. Radical elongates and form primary root. Radical elongates and form primary root. It bear lateral roots. Root system के अंदर क्या होता है? Lateral roots of several orders. Secondary root, tertiary root. Okay, these talking about this. This is the main primary root from which branches are developing. Those are called secondary and tertiary root. Lateral roots बोल रहे हैं उनको, secondary tertiary roots को. In monocotyledon plants, the primary root is short-lived. Monocot plant में primary root short-lived होती है. So first primary root बनेगा monocot में, but it is replaced by a large number of roots, a cluster of hair-like roots. These roots originate from the base of the stem called fibrous root system. Let's see diagrammatically. Diagrammatically देखेंगे. Here you can see this is what fibrous roots. Fibrous roots are developing from the base of main stem. And fibrous root system is not having secondary root or tertiary root like that. Fibrous root system is having initially one primary root, one main root, primary root, but it is short-lived. It is replaced by a number of roots, a cluster of roots arising from the base of main stem called fibrous root system. Monocots में होते हैं fibrous root system. You can see here point. In some plants like grass, monstera and banyan tree, roots arise from other than radical part. They are called adventitious root. Talking about this adventitious root, ये देखो stem है ये, and from the base of stem, यहाँ देखिए stem से निकल रहे हैं roots. Actually यहाँ पे seed से root नहीं develop हो रहे. Here roots are not developing from seed. Adventitious. What is adventitious roots? The roots which are developing from other than radical part of the seed embryo. Radical parts of the seed embryo छोड़कर कहीं और से निकल रहे हैं. The best example is monstera. Monstera plant. Monstera plant, banyan tree. They are having what? Adventitious roots developing from other than radical part of the seed. Seed से नहीं आ रहे root, यहाँ पर stem से निकल रहे हैं roots. Yes. The main function of the root system. What are the main function of root system? Absorption of water, minerals from the soil. Soil is having so many minerals, potassium, calcium, magnesium. The plant need all those minerals. They are absorbed. And root system also provide anchorage. Anchorage. Anchorage मतलब क्या? Fixing plant. Fixing plant to the ground. The plant is firmly, tightly attached to the ground because of the root system. Storing reserve food material. Some of the roots also store food material. Some of the roots, not all. One of the main function of root is absorption of water and minerals. Second is anchorage. Third one is sometimes they store food material. Yes, roots sometimes store food material as in carrot, radish, इनमें food store होता है. And sometimes root also synthesize growth regulators. What are these growth regulators? Hormones. Growth regulator means plant hormone. Sometimes roots also synthesizes hormones, growth regulators. ठीक है. Let's see next slide. What are the regions of a root? Regions of a root. Root is divided into three regions. Number one, meristematic region, elongation region, maturation region. Nearer to this root tip is having what? Region of meristematic activity. Nearer to this root cap, the tip of the root, this is what? Tip of the root. This area is root tip. And this root tip is covered by a cap-like structure. Root tip is covered by a cap-like structure called root cap. Root tip is covered by root cap. And in the root tip, what is present? Meristematic cells are present. What they do? They continuously divide. They are meristematic cells. They divide continuously. Meristem. What is meant by meristematic activity? Continuously dividing cells. Then in the region of elongation, you will find cells which are dividing. After division of the cell, they are elongating, they are expanding. In the region of meristematic activity, cells are dividing and those cells are increasing in length in the region of elongation. Okay, length of the root increases mainly because of region of elongation. Length of root increases because of elongation region. Then in the region of maturation, root hairs develop. These hair-like structure, unicellular extensions developing from the root. These are root hairs. और ये root hairs कहाँ से निकल रहे हैं? Root hairs are developing from the region of maturation. From which region root hairs develop? Root hairs develop from maturation region. Very important question. They ask in which region root hairs are present? Maturation region में बोलना चाहिए. The root is covered by thimble-like structure. Thimble मतलब एक cap-like protective cover. Cap-like protective cover called root cap. It protects the tender apex of the root because the root is penetrating soil. Root is growing underground and there are many barriers inside the earth. So root tip damage हो सकता है. So root tip को protect करने के लिए क्या है? Root cap है. A few millimeters above the root cap is the region of meristematic activity. Root cap के above the region of root cap you will find meristematic activity. Cells of the elongation gradually differentiate and mature. Hence in this region, proximal to the region of elongation is region of maturation. Proximal to the region of elongation मतलब region of elongation के ऊपर above you will find region of maturation. The cells of this region very small, thin walled. This is about maturation region. Maturation region के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. Okay, the cells of this region are very small, thin walled with a dense protoplasm, thread-like structure called root hair. This is about which region? Region of maturation. Just remember, in the region of meristematic activity, cells are dividing. In the region of elongation, cells are expanding. In the region of maturation, root hairs are developing. Let's move to next slide. Here some of the modifications of root can be seen. Root in some plant change their shape and structure. Root sometimes they appear like this, and these are called modification of root, and they are not doing normal function, they are doing some additional function and become modified to perform function other than absorption and conduction of water and minerals. The roots which are performing function other than absorption and conduction of water and minerals, those roots are called modified root. जो एक्स्ट्रा काम करते हैं मॉडिफाइड रूट है. दे आर मॉडिफाइड फॉर सपोर्ट. कभी कभार रूट सपोर्ट देते हैं प्लांट को, समटाइम स्टोर करते हैं फूड को, समटाइम रेस्पिरेशन भी करते हैं. समटाइम रूट्स आर आल्सो डूइंग रेस्पिरेशन. टैप रूट्स ऑफ कैरेट, टर्निप, एडवेंटिशियस रूट्स ऑफ स्वीट पोटैटो. ये रहा टर्निप, ये रहा कैरेट, और ये है स्वीट पोटैटो. एंड दीज थ्री, दिस वन ए, बी and this one C. These three roots are called modified roots for storage of food. Storage of food. Turnip, carrot, sweet potato. And remember student, sweet potato is adventitious root. Sweet potato adventitious roots. And these roots you can see they are appearing swollen. Swollen है, thick है. These swollen structures are because of storage of lots of food material in them. Okay. Now if you go to the supporting roots, supporting root देखिए ये ट्री पहचानते हैं आप, बनियान ट्री. बनियान ट्री. From the banyan tree you can see many hanging structure. These one, these hanging structure. These hanging structures are actually roots arising from the stem. These are the roots. These roots are called prop roots. Prop roots, and they give additional mechanical support to the plant body. Banyan tree में होते हैं prop roots. And here these are special roots growing vertically above the ground. देखिए ये रूट है ना, अंडरग्राउंड नहीं जा रहे. These roots are coming vertically upward. It's a modification of root, and it is helping for respiration. It is helping for respiration. Respiration में help कर रहे हैं ये roots. They are growing vertically upward. They are breathing roots. Okay, these are breathing roots. चलो नेक्स्ट. अभी हम नोट्स बना लेंगे, रूट्स के नोट्स बना लेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए. सो आवर टॉपिक मॉर्फोलॉजी. व्हाट इज मीन बाय मॉर्फोलॉजी फर्स्ट ले लेंगे, एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस रूट. रूट सिस्टम डिस्कस करेंगे आज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, what is morphology? Study of external features of an organism. Study of external features of an organism. How an organism look externally. How is the root system? How is the stem? How is the leaf? External appearance of the organism is called मॉर्फोलॉजी. रूट सिस्टम क्या है? रूट सिस्टम इज डिसेंडिंग पार्ट. डिसेंडिंग पार्ट है. कहां से डेवलप हो रहा है? डेवलप फ्रॉम, यस टेल मी, डेवलप फ्रॉम रेडिकल पार्ट. रेडिकल पार्ट ऑफ द सीड, एम्ब्रियो. हेल्प इन नंबर 1 अब्जॉर्प्शन. अब्जॉर्प्शन में हेल्प कर रहे हैं. सेकंड एनकोरेज में अब्जॉर्ब हेल्प कर रहे हैं, एनकोरेज। थर्ड वन स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड, स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड। अब फोर्थ वन सिंथेसिस ऑफ ग्रोथ रेगुलेटर्स, synthesis of growth regulators, that means hormones, hormone synthesis. Okay, take down this. absorption किसका हो रहा है? water and minerals, absorption of water and minerals. Take down students. Next, how many types of root system? रूट सिस्टम के टाइप्स हैं, देखिए। नंबर 1 इज टैप रूट सिस्टम, टैप रूट सिस्टम। टैप रूट में क्या होता है ना, देखिए, फर्स्ट दिस रूट इज हैविंग वन मेन रूट दैट इज कॉल्ड प्राइमरी रूट फ्रॉम विच लैटरल ब्रांचेस डेवलप, and from these lateral branches again some more branches develop. Okay, tap root system contain one primary root, and the branches are developing from the primary root, they are called secondary root, and the branches developing from the secondary root are called tertiary root, ये हो गया टैप रूट सिस्टम। व्हाट इज टैप रूट सिस्टम? radical elongates to form a primary root, from which lateral branches develop, This kind of root is found in dicots. This is found in dicot plants. डाइकॉट प्लांट्स में मिलेगी इस टाइप की रूट, टैप रूट सिस्टम, डीपली ग्रोइंग, दिस टैप रूट इज ग्रोइंग वेरी डीप. ओके, नोट डाउन फर्स्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये था टैप रूट सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट आइए सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ रूट सिस्टम में जाएंगे, फाइब्रस रूट. फाइब्रस रूट मतलब क्या होता है? देखिए, दिस इज ए प्लांट, ग्रास से फॉर एग्जांपल, फाइब्रस, इसी को बोलेंगे फाइब्रस रूट सिस्टम. हियर primary root is short lived. It is replaced by a cluster of roots developing from the base of main stem, and it is very good in absorption, very good in absorption. Yes, it can absorb water more efficiently. Example for such roots are monocots. Yes, monocots में होंगे fibrous root. Take down fast. After fibrous root, adventitious roots लेंगे. What are adventitious roots? The roots which are developing from other than radical part. Develop from other than radical part of the seed embryo. Other than radical part of seed embryo. Radical part of seed embryo. Example, this is seen in Monstera plant. And banyan tree. नोट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी रीजन्स ऑफ रूट. रीजन्स ऑफ रूट एक डायग्राम बनेगा. रीजन्स ऑफ रूट. So when we draw a root, it is having first a cap like structure that is called root cap, and just few millimeters above the root cap you will find region of, yes, meristematic activity. Region of meristematic activity, and proximal to this region of meristematic activity you will find region of elongation, and proximal to the region of elongation root hairs are present. Root hairs are present. This is what? Region of maturation. And region of maturation contain root hairs. Here we will write what is the function of all these parts. Root cap, protect root tip. Protect root tip. Root cap का function क्या होगा? Protection of root tip. Region of meristematic activity, cells are continuously dividing. Cells are continuously dividing. In the region of meristematic activity, cells are dividing. In the region of elongation, cells are expanding. In the region of maturation, what happens? Cells are differentiated. Cells are differentiated into root hairs. And what is the function of root hair? Root hair help in absorption. Actually, complete root is not absorbing water and minerals. Absorption of water and mineral occur mainly because of root hairs. Absorption of water and minerals. occur from this area, that is root hairs. Okay, diagram भी note करेंगे and there only you will write function of all these parts. Okay, complete the diagram fast. After this diagram, we will go to modifications of root. Modifications of root. What is meant by modifications of root? Modifications of root means the roots which perform function other than absorption of water and minerals and encourage. The roots which are performing function other than normal function, they are called modified roots. Modified roots perform additional functions like, what are the additional functions? Like storage, support, respiration, etc. Now let's write what are the storage roots. Storage roots कौन कौन से हैं? Storage roots. Storage root में tap root for storage. Tap root for storage. इसमें फिर फर्दर टाइप्स आते हैं कोनिकल रूट, फ्यूजिफॉर्म रूट, नेपीफॉर्म रूट. Conical root means which is helping for storage of food. Definitely all these are doing same function, that is a storage of food material. In that also conical root carrot, fusiform root radish और नेपीफॉर्म रूट टर्निप बोल रहे हैं. बीट रूट भी बोल सकते हैं, टर्निप और शलजम सलाद में लेते हैं ना, बीट रूट, टर्निप, these are नेपीफॉर्म रूट. And one more is adventitious root. Adventitious root for storage. Adventitious root for storage is sweet potato. Sweet potato में है adventitious root for storage of food. And diagrammatically if you see, why they are called conical? Because they are cone shape. Conical root means cone shape root. Radish fusiform. Fusiform means spindle shape root. Turnip, they are swollen at the base and elongated, pointed at the tip. Diagram draw करेंगे हम. First you take down this one. Complete it. Now diagrammatically if you represent them, conical root like this. ये है carrot, conical root for absorption of food material. And then one more root is fusiform. Fusiform कैसा होता है देखिए ऐसे. Fusiform root is elongated, pointed at both the ends, swollen at the middle. ये radish में होता है इससे. Radish roots are fusiform. And if root is swollen at the base and elongated at the tip, swollen at the base, elongated at the tip, these roots are called nepiform roots. नेपीफॉर्म रूट क्या नाम, एग्जाम्पल नेपीफॉर्म रूट का बीट रूट, टर्निप, टर्निप भी बोलते हैं. दीज आर द टैप रूट मॉडिफिकेशन. ओके, टैप रूट मॉडिफिकेशन. एंड देयर इज वन मोर एडवेंटिशियस रूट. एडवेंटिशियस रूट बोल के आ रहा है ऐसा, एडवेंटिशियस रूट, स्वीट पोटैटो. All these are modified root for one function, that is storage of food material. Food के लिए है ये, food के लिए. Now let's see what are the modification of root for mechanical support. ये roots थे storage of food. These are storage roots. इनको बोले हम storage roots. Now let's move for mechanical roots, the roots which provide mechanical support to the plant body. Mechanical roots में देखिए, mechanical roots, under this category we get two type, prop roots and stilt root. Prop roots you will find in banyan tree, and stilt root. Where do you find stilt root? Stilt root are present in sugarcane, maize plant. They are having stilt root. See, if you look at a banyan tree, बनियान ट्री में कुछ ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है, वेरी लार्ज ट्री होता है ना बनियान ट्री. एंड फ्रॉम दिस बनियान ट्री सम स्ट्रक्चर्स आर हैंगिंग डाउन. कुछ ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर हैंगिंग डाउन होते हैं. यस, व्हाट आर दीज रूट्स? दीज रूट्स आर कॉल्ड प्रॉप रूट्स. यही हैं प्रॉप रूट्स. दे प्रोवाइड मैकेनिकल. Why they are called mechanical roots? Mechanical roots means provide support to the plant, additional support. Same ऐसे ही लिखिए आप, mechanical root provide support. Now one more root is stilt root. Stilt roots are arising from the lower nodes of the stem. Node, ये lower node से निकल रहा है stilt root, and they are going to the soil and fixing with the soil. They are providing additional support to the plant. Stilt roots sugarcane and maize में होंगे. Develop from lower node, develops from lower nodes से निकल रहे हैं ये स्टेम के, and providing additional support to the plant body. नोट करिए पॉइंट से. ओके, नाउ वन मोर मॉडिफिकेशन इज remained रूट में, जो हमारे सिलेबस में लास्ट मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ रूट, दैट इज ब्रीथिंग रूट्स. दे आर वेरी वेरी स्पेशल. ब्रीथिंग नाम से ही लग रहा होगा ना, ब्रीथिंग रूट्स आर आल्सो समटाइम डूइंग ब्रीथिंग. न्यूमैटोफोर्स बोलते हैं ऐसे रूट्स को, न्यूमैटोफोर्स. वेयर डू यू फाइंड सच रूट्स? प्लांट्स ग्रोविंग इन स्वैम्पी एरियाज, मार्शी एरियाज, मतलब जहां पे वाटर स्टैंडिंग है फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, मे बी 100 of years, तब वहाँ पे वाटर है, स्वैम्पी एरिया बोलते हैं. एंड मार्शी एरियाज, दे प्रोड्यूस वर्टिकली ग्रोविंग रूट्स say for example, if I draw diagram here, suppose this is the tree growing in a swampy area, जैसे समंदर के किनारे वगैरह वाटर स्टैंडिंग होता है बहुत दिन से, एंड soil become very soft, and in that cases the roots are growing vertically upward here like this, ऐसे roots, and these roots are having small openings for respiration, small opening for respiration, breathing roots बोल रहे हैं इनको, यही है breathing roots. दिस इज वॉट न्यूमैटोफोर्स, ब्रीथिंग रूट भी बोल सकते हैं इनको, न्यूमैटोफोर्स. एग्जाम्पल फॉर सच रूट इज, एग्जाम्पल इज राइजोफोरा. दिस इज द नेम ऑफ प्लांट, राइजोफोरा. इन टूडेज क्लास वट एवर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव टेकन, प्रैक्टिस देम. Okay, it is the chapter having many examples. If you study all the example day to day, the chapter becomes very easy for you. Okay, whatever example we have studied today's class, make a list for them. Okay, taproot, dicot, monocot plants have fibrous root. Adventitious plants, adventitious roots have example monstera, then banyan tree. बनियान ट्री इज एडवेंटिशियस रूट, प्रॉप रूट में भी आता है, दोनों तरफ एग्जाम्पल आता है. देन व्हाट आर द एग्जाम्पल फॉर स्टोरेज रूट्स, मैकेनिकल रूट्स, ब्रीथिंग रूट्स, लाइक दैट यू प्रैक्टिस, मेक ए लिस्ट एंड प्रैक्टिस देम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द टॉपिक स्टेम. थैंक यू.